What is esomeprazole? Esomeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor, PPI, medicine.it reduces excess acid production in the stomach and is mainly used for acid-related disorders. 2. Uses of esomeprazole. Esomeprazole is commonly used for gastric ulcers, duodenal ulcers, GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, heartburn and acidity, erosive esophagitis, Ulcer-Ellison syndrome, prevention of ulcers caused by NSAIDs, Helicobacter pylori treatment, as part of triple therapy. 3. Mechanism of action. How it works. Esomeprazole blocks the H/K-ATPase proton pump in the stomach's parietal cells. This pump is responsible for the final step of acid secretion. By blocking it irreversibly, the medicine reduces gastric acid production dramatically. This helps in healing ulcers and prevents acid reflux. Key point: it works best when taken before meals, especially breakfast. 4. Dosage may vary depending on the condition. Adults, GERD, 20 to 40 mg once daily. Erosive esophagitis, 40 mg once daily. Maintenance therapy, 20 mg daily. H. pylori infection, 20 mg twice daily, with antibiotics. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, 40 mg twice daily. Forms available: tablets, 20 mg, 40 mg, capsules, IV injection, sachets/granules. Note: dosage must be adjusted under medical supervision. 5. Side effects. Common side effects: headache, nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea or constipation, gas/bloating, dry mouth. Serious, rare vitamin B12 deficiency. Long-term use: low magnesium, increased risk of fractures, kidney problems, Clostridium difficile infection. Prolonged use. 6. Contraindications/precautions: avoid or use carefully in severe liver disease patients with low magnesium, patients on drugs like ketoconazole, clopidogrel, warfarin. Interactions possible: long-term use without doctor's follow-up. 7. Drug interactions: may interact with clopidogrel, ketoconazole, digoxin, diazepam, warfarin, HIV medications. Always inform your doctor about all medicines you're taking. 8. Key points for students and YouTube content. Esomeprazole is a PPI, proton pump inhibitor, works by irreversible inhibition of the proton pump, best for acidity, GERD, ulcers, H. pylori. Take before meals for best effect. Long-term use should be monitored.